Hey folks, guess what? I've found a product that's gonna blow your mind. First off, the design. It's so clean and modern, I was instantly hooked. And the price? Let's just say you're getting way more than what you pay for. Affordable and high quality, what more can you ask for? This product is also incredibly versatile. It's great for just about any setting, from home to office, and even makes a perfect gift. Want more info? It's all in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more amazing finds. Thanks for tuning in.